If you want to build models like this in any scale at no price, keep watching this video. While searching on the internet affordable models for my layout and laser cut or for 3D printing, I came across the site ScaleScenes. I linked the site in the video description. ScaleScenes offers model kits in PDF format. You can print yourself and build the models from paper sheets and cardboard, and they offer buildings, bridges, boats and so on. And for tryout you can get a free download. So from the free download section I select the small goods store, and it looks nice with the brick pier and the blue sliding door. So I select this model for download and add it to my cart and scale 00. I order all 3 models from ScaleScenes for a tryout. I proceed to check out, enter my data, and then I click on place order. And after processing my order, I get a download link to my email address and on the website too. After I receive the email with the download links, I download the small goods store. After downloading the zip file, I unzip the file, and the zip archive contains the sheet for building the model and an instruction manual. I open the worksheet with Acrobat Reader. The parts of the model look very nice and aged. ScaleScenes recommend to print the sheet on photo paper, but for testing purposes I decide to use normal paper on my laser printer. I open the instruction manual too, and this is what it looks like. Nice and structured. I change back to the part sheet and now I'm gonna print it. I downloaded, as you know, this sheet for 00 scale 1 to 72, but I need H0 scale in 1 to 87. ScaleScenes has a good section on construction tips online, and there you'll find instructions for printing, choosing material and building the model. You'll find an article on how to scale your printout for your desired scale too. So for H0 I have to scale my printout to 87% of the original size. So I enter 87% in the printing dialog of Acrobat Reader and print out the sheets. And then I print the instruction manual too, as I don't want to build a model and have my laptop next to it on my work desk. In the instruction manual, you will find a list of tools and material needed for building the model. At first I cut the part sheets according to the materials I will glue them to as instructed in the manual. On the part sheets there are statements on which type of cardboard you have to glue this printout. I have a simple cardboard from cereals and cut off the rough parts. Then I paint the back of the paper sheets with wood glue and stick them to the cardboard. After sticking the sheets on the cardboard, I staple them and put a thick and heavy book on top to have enough pressure for flattening the parts while the glue sets. I decided to wait a day, and after the glue has set, I cut out the parts for building the model according to the manual. I'll speed up the video now while building. Have fun! While building the model, I noticed that some parts are layered by gluing 2 or more parts of cardboard of the same part together, so the model gets a deep 3D impression and nice structures. And after layering, the parts get a nice blending from simple paper cuts. The edges of the building get blendings with paper too. After building the model, I noticed I have parts left. But that's a nice idea from ScaleScenes. You can choose different looks for your parts, like a wooden roof or a tin roof. When the glue has set, the model gets a finish with colorless varnish to protect the print on the paper. While the varnish sets, I paint some signs with Ponal wood glue. This will get a nice metal effect after drying, because the glue becomes transparent while drying and the signs will look real 3D afterwards. Paint the glue on the signs thoroughly with a paintbrush so the glue is spread equal on the sheet of paper. After drying, you'll see the shiny surface the paper now has got. I cut out the signs I need with a sharp cutter and glue them to the model. So this is the test build, and I'm very surprised that it looks not that bad as I expected. For my real model I will choose a better printer, and in this test run I learned some obstacles to avoid when I build the real thing. And maybe I'll use balsa wood too. I find this a nice and priceless alternative for expensive model kits, and keep in mind you can scale the prints for your need, so you can have a nice perspective view on your layout in building smaller models to simulate far away buildings by printing them in smaller size. Thank you for watching my video. All parts and tools I used are linked below in the video description as affiliate links, where you can buy the parts and tools you need to improve your model railway. If you like my video, please hit the thumbs up button below. And if you want to get more information to improve your model railway the non-expensive way, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit also the bell button, so you will be informed when I upload a new video. If you want to support me, you can hit the thanks button below and give me any amount you like, or you can use my PayPal link, or you can have a look at my Amazon wishlist. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.